All right, yeah, you can't even see me. It's dark 30. We got the truck here, got a trailer hooked up, headed out to pick up another Facebook Marketplace find. Rolling up to West Virginia today. It is dark. Got my girls with me. They're gonna be my tag along. So let's see how this goes. It's so cool traveling like this and going and getting these cars and doing different things like this, spontaneous trips. You know, we get to see parts of the country we wouldn't normally see the scenery, slow down a little bit, get up early, which you don't really like doing, but get up early, get out on the road and drive and have fun, spend time with family, get to have conversations about life and everything else.
All the things.
You know, kind of, you know, get to dream and just have a good time. I mean, slow down and look at the scenery out here. It's just crazy. We're riding through the mountains of West Virginia right now, and heading to go pick up a truck. You know, probably thanks for Facebook Marketplace and an addiction to looking for stuff on Marketplace.
It's true.
But man, there's so many cool things you can find on there and find good deals and actually meet some pretty cool people along the way as well. But got our little girl with us, getting to spend a little extra time with her, and she's just enjoying looking out the window and seeing all the crazy stuff.
Reading books.
Yeah, reading books and listening to Christmas music along the way. We're just having a good time traveling and just seeing parts of the country we haven't seen in a long time or maybe never seen. So get out and drive. Get out and enjoy the country that God's put us in. You know, because He made it pretty. He made it pretty. Even without the leaves on the trees, it's still pretty going through these mountains and seeing all these things.
Remnants of snow, ice.
Yeah, it's mid-December. There's a little bit of snow and ice coming down the mountains. Old churches down in the valleys. Bouncy roads. Pulling the car hauler behind us. Okay, it's just a good time. All right, well, I guess we're about 45 minutes away from our destination. So this S10 over here, LS, he's got big old race tires on the back of it. It says stock on his tag. That is hilarious. That thing ain't stock.
In 5.7 miles,
badges on the side.
stay to the right too.
Hey, there's a beef jerky experience.
Oh man.
We should go do that.
Oh, I like beef jerky.
Beef jerky's a good thing.
My favorite. Is my favorite. I like. What kind of beef jerky do you guys like? I like the spicy stuff, like the sweet, spicy.
Just give me the regular things.
The jalapeno or the hot pepper jalapeno. You don't want beef jerky?
No beef jerky for Mariah.
Oh my gosh, I'll eat your beef jerky then. I mean, I like Buc-ee's and getting beef jerky from Buc-ee's. Their spicy garlic one is really good. I think, what was it, the ghost pepper was pretty good. I think it was ghost pepper.
Yeah, I don't think it was crazy spicy, but it was
super spicy, honestly, for being ghost pepper.
Yeah.
Man, West Virginia's kind of cool. I mean,
it is.
That thing's shiny.
It is very shiny.
I wonder if anybody gets up there and polishes it. Like, I wouldn't want that job, but I'm scared of heights.
As ornate as it is. Probably.
I think somebody gets up and polish. I wonder, what's it made out of? That's what I want to know. That's shiny. I'm like, is that real gold? Did they put real gold leaf on that thing? Or what? I mean, is it gold spray paint? Fool's gold? Is that what you said, right? Yeah. I have no idea. That's kind of cool.
Mariah. Here.
So it is a couple days later. We got home with it. It was dark, so figured today would be the best day to go ahead and do a walk around of this thing. Sunny day. Let's go ahead and go down this passenger side of this truck. She's not horribly bad. Pretty decent. Got a little rust in the rockers here and there. Utility bed. That utility bed is going to have to be replaced. We'll show you that in just a second of why that thing's gonna have to be replaced. So yeah, there's wood in the bed. That means one thing: there's no bottom to this thing. But there's also some strange things back here. There's spark plugs. Why do we have AC Delco spark plugs in the bed of a diesel truck? Plug wires. Yeah, maybe they were using this thing for vehicle repairs and stuff. So yeah, there's the wood on the bottom. So yeah, we're gonna get a new bed, get this thing fixed up right. Gotta get a new door handle over here. We're missing the lock mechanism, and it's got some sheet metal screws that are holding it on. Come back around here to the front again. Could use a new hood. We got a little weight reduction on the bumper here. Probably wouldn't hurt to get a new bumper. Not too terribly bad. Let's see here. Let's open the door here. And I know what you're expecting. You're expecting to see a big old hole right here, and there's not. This seat is in amazing shape. It is not horrible. Here we go through. You know, the dash doesn't look too bad. Missing the stereo. We're going to replace that with a CarPlay touchscreen stereo anyway. You know, we will be traveling in this thing. We want to be able to have our GPS up there, so that'd be nice. Headliner is actually in really good shape as well. Door panels don't look too bad. Just missing reflector over here, busted out. Pop the hood. Let's see if we can get this thing open. It's a struggle because this hood is a little messed up. There we go. So under the hood, there's the old 6.5 diesel. She don't look too bad. Looks like we're missing a crossover tube, but it runs and it drives. And so let's do a little startup. Let's do a little startup on this thing, a cold start for you. All right, wait to start. Put on those glow plugs. All right, lights off. Runs pretty good. Not too bad. Sitting here idling, not really smoking at all. Sounds pretty good. shut this thing off so you can hear me. Four-wheel drive works in this thing as well. Didn't tell you that. But hey, so what would you guys do with this thing? I know the things that we're gonna do. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take that exhaust and we're gonna make it a straight pipe, 4 inches all the way back. Open this up, let the airflow a little bit better. Maybe put a new intake on here, get a little bit more air flowing in here. You know, let that turbo eat a little bit. Maybe even upgrade the turbo on it. Who knows? What do you think we should do? Comment below. Comment on this thing. Tell us what should we do this with this 6.5 to make her better. We've got ideas. We got things ordered, and we're gonna order more things. But just tell us what you think. Subscribe, like, help us out with this thing. We're gonna make this thing. Well, I'll tell you on the next video as we start to get working on it. But this is the new 1998, or at least new to us, 1998 6.5 Detroit diesel, 4-wheel drive service body. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.